Hey guys, today I'm gonna do Maya's makeup. She is so beautiful and she's from Venezuela and she brought me some chocolate. Where is it? Like I had it right here. Thank you so much for the chocolate.
You're welcome.
Oh yeah, here is the chocolate. Here's the chocolate. This is the taste of Venezuela.
It's amazing.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bioderma Micelar Water, just because I like to start with a clean skin. Although she's got nothing on her skin right now. I like to moisturize the lips and I'm going to use this lip mask. This is the Kissu lip mask from Tatcha. It's currently out of stock, but I promise you it's going to get back in stock. By the time I am going to get to the lip part, they're going to be super nice and moisturized. Next, I'm going to apply this Tatcha, the Silk Peony, an eye cream. It's always good to moisturize. You don't want to get too close to the lashes when you apply the eye cream. Tatcha, the Dewy Skin Cream. I like to apply it first on the outer parts of the face. And then what's left on my hand, I apply it on the center. I'm going to use this Makeup Forever Reboot foundation. This is super lightweight. That's exactly what she needs because her skin is already beautiful. I like to apply it first with this flat brush. This is a Sigma Foundation F60 brush. And then come with this 110 from Zoeva. Flawless Fusion Concealer. This is in the color 3 Neutral. Now this brush normally is for blending. This is a Sigma E35 brush, but it's really good for concealer, I find it. And now I'm going to move on with the Giorgio Armani. This is the Power Fabric Concealer in number 4. And this one, I will apply it in the center of the face just to brighten the skin. Makeup Forever. This is an Ultra HD foundation stick in the color Y500. It has that warmth to it, so I'm going to use it to bronze. I take my concealer brush and I tame this down. This is a bit too strong for her. Yeah, this is much better. Glossier Brow Flick. This is in the color brown. And I'll do very light strokes of the hair. I'm going to move on with some clear brow gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills just to make sure that they're going to stay this way. Now I'm going to use this blush. It's from Lila B and it's such a pretty color. This is in Be Sassy. And I'll take it with this Kat Von D brush. I like to take the product first, put it on my hand, and then apply it on the highest part of the cheeks. It's going to give her a very beautiful rosy cheek. I always like to come with the foundation brush and just make sure the edges are nice and blended. This is the hyaluronic tinted hydra powder, and I have this Hakuhodo tiny little brush, and I'm only gonna apply it like really around the nose, like so, and under the eye, tiny bit on the chin. Now I'm gonna take this Makeup Forever pencil. This is a universal pencil. You could use it on the lips or you could use it on the eyes, and I really love the color. It's this warmer tone, but then not too warm. It's like a chocolate brown. It's in the color 60 Limitless Brown. I'm going to apply it at the outer corner. This is great for pictures or videos, and we're about to take some pictures now. Can you open? I'm basically just hugging the eye, and as you can see, this is not very precise. Now I'll take this Sigma E34 brush and just diffuse it. I'm gonna add just a little bit more right here, just to deepen out that crease. Now with a clean brush, I just diffuse the edges, like so.
I love this.
We're gonna use this. I'm glad that she was excited about the Charlotte Tilbury. This is the limited edition palette, the Icon palette. It's so pretty, and we're gonna use now this color right here, and I'll use the same pencil brush from Sigma, the E34, that I was using to blend everything, and just apply it on top of the pencil. Like wherever I've applied the pencil, I'll do this beautiful eyeshadow. I'm going to take a clean blending brush. This is from MAC, the classic 217. Just blend everything. Now I'm going to take this pencil. This is from Charlotte Tilbury, the classic. It says eye powder pencil, and I promise you it's exactly like a powder pencil. And I'll just apply it really, really close to the lashes. And in between them. Can you look down? Same brush. I'll just smudge this. Use again the blending brush from MAC. Okay. I'm gonna take this color right here. This is a 243 brush from MAC. And I'm almost like pulling so that it has that nice shine on the lid. Same eyeshadow, I'll apply a little bit on the lower lid. Perfect. And now I'll take, with the same brush, I'll take this color right here. If you do back and forth motions like this, you're gonna get a lot of product on your brush. And this one, I'm only gonna apply it on the middle of the eyelid, like right here. You see how it just pops? So now I'm gonna take this color right here. Oh no, that's wrong. That's the wrong color. Sorry guys. I'm gonna take this color right here with this tiny little brush, lip brush. This actually is from a brand called Diego de la Palma. It's a number 3. I'm going to take, this is a cream eyeshadow. You could absolutely use your concealer, but I find that this lasts better. So what I do is put a little bit on my hand. This is in the color E109. I take a flat brush. You could use just any flat brush. And now I'm going to apply this on the waterline. And that's just going to open up the eye. I'll move on with this Dior Show Plump and Volume Mascara. Can you look down? And I just massage those lashes right at the base. I like them to be nice and black at the base. There. Great. Now, let's move on to the lips. I'm gonna use MAC Strip Down to contour her lips. I'm just gonna overline a tiny little bit. For the lips, I'm going to use this lipstick. This is from Dior, and the color is 459, and it's a beautiful, comfortable matte. I'm applying it with this Sigma F70 brush. I'll use this Charlotte Tilbury gloss. Seduction. The color is Seduction. I apply it with the same brush. Now I'm going to take this blush from Charlotte Tilbury. This is Cheek to Chic in the color Ecstasy. And I'm taking it with this Sonia G soft cheek brush, just to intensify the blush. Now I'm going to use this Fenty Beauty highlighter with the Anastasia A23 brush. Alright, I'm gonna pop in some falsies. These are the Sweet lashes. They're so flared, I love them. Right, the lashes are on. Can you back off a little bit so we can see the final look? Alright everybody, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you've subscribed to my YouTube channel. Click on that ring bell button so you'll be notified whenever I'm posting new videos. Make sure that you follow Maia as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!